Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amarilys, and in today's video I am going to basically start a series on getting my curls back to really like poppin' how they used to be before I did all of this bleach and lightening to my hair. I did get a little crazy because I just really wanted blonde hair so bad and so quickly. I felt like the process was going too slow, and therefore I damaged my curls. So I'm going to just kind of create like a short little series of getting my curls back to, you know, as curly as possible, like how they used to be before I did all of this damage. So today's video, I am starting off with some products to basically treat your hair and nourish your hair. And so I have like a little mini haul that I did from Amazon. And then I'm going to show you how I use most of the products. One of the products I already talked about in like a previous like how to keep your lightened hair healthy video. So I'll link that down below. And I'll also link down below with a video of like the products that I use in my hair. I use Curlsmith products to like style my hair essentially. So I'll leave that down below as well if you want to check that out. Yeah, basically let's just get right into the products that I bought off of Amazon. So I'm going to start off with one that I already mentioned, so I'm not going to go talking too much about it. But this is from Shea Moisture, and this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. I actually really like this mask. I don't use it often, but often enough because I do feel like it does make a difference, makes my hair feel like a little bit more softer, less dry, I would say, less dry. And yeah, so I went and I purchased this. I didn't use this today because I didn't want to over like treat my hair, but yeah, so I love this. Then I think it came in a pair, but I saw that they have a leave-in conditioner that's essentially like the same line, and it says it's for extremely dry and brittle hair, which my hair definitely has been like getting to that point. So I purchased this and I used this as a leave-in, and I liked it. It looks really thick, but it's actually more lightweight than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be a little bit heavier, but it's not. So safe to say I actually really liked it so far. And yeah, it has like a light scent, nothing too crazy. And then the two next products are a little bit more pricey. That's more on the affordable side, like $11 each, I would say, roughly. And the next products are from Olaplex. And I basically went on their website. I put in like, they have like a test, not a test, but you know, like you put in your information and it tells you like what products they recommend for you. And obviously like they recommended a whole bunch of products, and it was like $150 or probably even more actually. And I was kind of like, okay, chill, I can't like do all of that. But I saw that basically the main two products that I think would make a difference for me were number 0, and this is an intensive bond building hair treatment. And then the next product is the hair perfector, and it's number 3. So I'm going to kind of show you that in just a minute, how I use these products and like the directions and stuff like that. So I used this today in my hair, the leave-in, and then styled my hair. But one main thing that I did want to mention, and I forgot to mention this a little bit earlier on, is I cut my hair. So I think if you look at my previous video, the one where I lightened my own hair myself, at the end when it's styled, you can see that like my curls are damaged. And honestly, like while filming that video at the end, I felt really sad. I'm not gonna lie. I like tried to hold it back, but I didn't like my curls. They were just like the ends were so dead, and I just felt like, I don't know, I was getting to a point where I didn't really like my hair, like my curly hair. I was like, oh, it looks so ugly, like I just don't like it. And I was feeling like down about that because I love my curly hair. I also like that I can straighten it and it looks really good too. So I basically took the plunge, and you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because I actually posted myself on Instagram cutting my hair, and I cut more than I thought I would, but you know what, I'm so happy I did because it doesn't look as short now, but I cut it. This is like the shortest it's been for a while, like, but it's funny because it kind of looks like how it was before, but it definitely was longer for sure. I cut off like, I don't know, a few inches. So basically by cutting off those dead ends, the rest of my hair did spring up better and the curls started to curl a little bit better. So just by me cutting my hair helped out tremendously, and I actually am like, oh, my curls are back, like I'm loving it. There's still some that are damaged, of course, and you know, I have to do these treatments. I should be doing these treatments anyway. If you have curly hair, you should really try to take care of your curly hair. Even if you have straight hair, you should take care of your straight hair as well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of zoom you in a little bit and show you my hair. So you can see like this curl doesn't necessarily curl like a spiral, so this one's still a little like damaged, but some curls just like have sprung up a lot more. Like, see, this one's a little damaged, this one is a little, but for the most part it's starting to like curl up much better. Like you could see inside here, look at those curls, they look so juicy. I love it. So yeah, basically I'm going to show you how I use the product and then we'll come back and basically end the video. Hello. So I wanted to show you just like quickly me using the two products that I bought from Olaplex. And so I'm using number 0. This is my first time actually using these two products myself. I think I might have used number 3 like one time by myself, but so yeah, so I'm gonna use number 0, and it's the Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment, and I'm supposed to saturate my hair from root to tip with this product, leave it on for 10 minutes, then follow up with number 3, and this is more of like a cream. This is more of like a liquid, it's just like watery, and then follow up with number 3 on top of this and leave that on for 10 minutes. After that, then I go ahead, rinse it, shampoo, condition, and all of that. So we're going to start with this, and I'm going to just start saturating my hair with this. What's nice is this thing doesn't like pour out too much at once, which is good because it's expensive. I'm not trying to have this thing go to waste, you know what I mean? But it's gonna take a little bit to saturate. Oh, and I should mention this, that I feel like I should have washed my hair first. Let it air dry because you have to put this on dry hair and then do this, but I have like leftover product. My hair is dirty, so hopefully this is fine. I think it should be fine. But yeah, just wanted to mention that. So I'm going to go ahead, saturate this, and then do this side, and then I'll come back and show you when I go to put number 3. Okay, I'm back. It's been 10 minutes. I made myself an iced coffee and I just wanted to show you because barista vibes over here. I just like love making them at home, but I do like to like go to Starbucks or, you know, somewhere else like a coffee shop. Wow, but I can't lie, I make a really good iced coffee. I put some caramel drizzle. Anyway, so it's been the 10 minutes and now I'm going in with number 3. So I feel like it's easier to section off, but also, you know, dependent on how much hair you have. So, ooh, I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit on my fingers and start to apply. By the way, This one has a scent and it smells nice. It's like slightly, I don't know, like floral in a way. I don't know. I'm not really good with scents. But the number 0 didn't really have a scent to me. But number 3 has a scent. But it's light and it smells nice to me, so. Kind of feels a little slimy. But that could be that, all the product I have in my hair. I definitely want to make sure that I get the ends really, really well because... So I realized I never mentioned why I chose to use Olaplex, and essentially Olaplex restores damaged hair, and they have a patent for their products, and basically it helps to bond the hair back to being healthy. I'll leave more of the details down below. So yeah, these are the results that I've gotten so far. Again, I'm going to continue to use the Olaplex treatments and keep you guys posted. So I'll have another video. I'm probably going to also purchase some more items, more like deep conditioners, trying out new deep conditioners from different like brands so that I can basically like test out which of the deep conditioners I feel like really do what I want. I don't like anything too heavy. A little bit more light, like leave my hair feeling lightweight after I shower and rinse it out. So I'll keep you guys posted on the series of getting my curls back to being like popping again. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful and enjoyable, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and comment down below any products that you feel like I should try out or that you think are really great or that you want me to test out so that I can let you know how they are. Yeah, let me know all of that down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!